Question 10. Using each of these digit cards once in each number, what is the difference between the second largest and second smallest numbers that I can make? If we start with the smallest number we could make, we would do that by putting the 3 in the thousands column, and then the next smallest number would go in the hundreds, which would be the 5, and then we would have the 7s at the end. So the next smallest number then would still have the 3 in the thousands, but we would have a 7 in the hundreds column, and then a 5, and then a 7. And the next smallest after that, of course, would be to put the 5 right at the end. So this is our second smallest number, and then if we think about making the largest number we would obviously put the highest digits first, so that would be the 2 7s, followed by the 5, followed by the 3, and the next highest number would be the highest numbers, and then instead of the 5 we would have the 3 and then the 5. Then we would have to change the position of the 7 for the 5 and end with the 3 to make the next highest number. So this is the second highest number I can make, and we're asked to find the difference between the two, so I'm going to subtract the lower number from the higher one, so we'll subtract 3757 from 7735. And if we start with the first column, 5 take away 7 I can't do, so I'll decompose one of my 10s. 15 take away 7 is 8. 2 take away 5 I can't do, decompose a 7. Now we've got 12. 12 take away 5 is 7. 6 take away 7 I can't do, so I'll decompose a 7, and I've got 16. 16 take away 7 is 9, and finally 6 take away 3 is 3. So the difference between the second largest and second smallest numbers made with those 4 digits then is 3,978.